This Week in AI, filtered for people who'd rather not attend the conference. 3 stories, 72 hours. Here's what they actually mean. Let's get into the signal. First, the $700 billion arms race, and why it's good news for people who work alone. This week, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft reported earnings. Combined AI capital spending for 2026 is projected at $700 billion. Amazon alone committed $200 billion. Google Cloud hit $20 billion in quarterly revenue, beating every estimate. Meta's stock dropped 10% despite record profits, because investors saw the AI spend number and flinched. Here's the translation. Every one of those dollars is a race to build better tools for you. The winner has to give you, paying $20 a month, better capabilities than the competitor. Or you switch. Meta's investors flinched. You should feel the opposite. $700 billion is being spent on infrastructure that runs through your API key. The scale of this deployment is unprecedented. It is the new foundation. The shift is permanent. The war is for your subscription. Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft. The big four are all in. And 2026 is the year it all hits the ground. The irony is real. The biggest companies on Earth are in a $1 trillion war. You are the prize. Not as an employee, as a user who could switch subscriptions on a Tuesday. Pick your primary AI platform this week. The gap between users and non-users is widening. Don't wait for the dust to settle. The tools are ready now. Efficiency is the only competitive advantage. Second, the quietest computer Apple makes is sold out, and the reason says everything. On Apple's earnings call, Tim Cook said Mac Mini and Mac Studio are backordered for months, not supply. Developer demand for AI workloads exceeded internal forecasts. The Mac Mini has no screen, no keyboard, no mouse, just a small box that runs. Solo developers are buying them headless, SSHing in remotely, running local AI agents continuously, code review agents, email agents, agents that finish work before you wake up. $599, sold out, became the world's preferred solo AI workstation. Apple Silicon handles AI inference efficiently and silently, in a box the size of a hardcover book. The most introverted machine Apple ever made is now the engine of the solo builder economy. It's a quiet revolution happening on desktops around the world. Developers are moving the workload from the cloud to their own desks. If you didn't get one yet, the waitlist is now stretching into late summer. The $599 entry point for a serious AI workstation is a game changer. Apple's cheapest desktop became the world's preferred solo AI workstation. Tim Cook confirmed it accidentally. What to do? If you want a local AI setup, Mac Mini M5 is the machine. Get on the waitlist. When it ships, it sells out again. Don't sleep on local hardware. The cloud is just someone else's computer. Third, Google accidentally published their next AI assistant, then deleted it. But screenshots are forever. Yesterday, May 1st, Google published COSMO on the Play Store. 1.1 gigabytes. Full Gemini Nano model running on device. No cloud. No data leaving your phone. What made COSMO different? It didn't wait to be asked. Most AI assistants, you ask, it answers. COSMO watched what you were doing and quietly offered to handle things. Scheduling? Added to calendar. Writing something? It drafted it. Research? Full report. All on device. Private. This was supposed to be announced at Google I/O June 9th. It leaked early. An AI that handles the logistics of your day without being asked. That is exactly what working alone at full capacity looks like. The wait for Google I/O just became much more interesting. June 9th is the date. Ambient AI is the next frontier, and it's already on the Play Store. Briefly, if you only do one thing this week, stop thinking about AI as something you talk to. Start thinking about AI as something that runs. $700 billion being built. The infrastructure is being paid for by giants. A headless Mac Mini sold out because developers run AI around the clock. The era is real. An AI assistant that watches your day and handles logistics. The future isn't a better chatbot, it's ambient infrastructure. A layer running quietly, handling the noise, so you stay in deep work. Not an AI you perform for, an AI that performs for you. That's the signal for May 2nd. AI news filtered for people who work alone and want to stay that way. Subscribe. Every weekday I find one story that matters to people who work independently, and I translate it. No hype, no hustle culture, just signal. See you Monday.